Here's I will show you how to play YouTube music in your Android phone background. To use YouTube music in your background, you have to open YouTube music from browser. So on your mobile phone, go ahead and open a browser. I'm using Google Chrome browser. In your browser, you have to search for YouTube music. And all you have to need, open music.youtube.com. And here we have to enable desktop site. To enable desktop site, tap on your browser three dot. Here, check desktop site. Now just go ahead and play the music that you want to play in your phone background. Just select a music to play. And here we can see the music is playing. Now, once the music is playing, just minimize your browser. And as you can see, the music is still playing in my background. So this is how we can actually play our YouTube music in our Android background. Thanks for watching.